When I think about my garden, I think about it as a tiny little ecosystem. So I want to have as much diversity in that ecosystem as possible. And you'll find that some plants are actually good at helping you garden. In other words, helping you keep certain pests at bay. So let's go through a few of those plants that you'll always want to integrate into the garden. Here you can see I've got a wide range of things, everything from Cufea to Coleus, salvias, tomatoes, peppers, and marigolds. Marigolds have for a long time been considered one of the best flowers for keeping pests at bay, and I happen to like their aroma. What you'll find with plants that are good for the garden, that keep pests away, often have a strong scent. Let's move on to the next one. Who doesn't like lavender? Lavender's a favorite for a calming fragrance, but many pests such as fleas, moths, and mosquitoes are actually repelled by the scent of lavender. I enjoy growing this herb in containers. That way you can move it around the garden anywhere you like. All right, now let's take a look at lemongrass. It's long been used in natural insect repellents containing citronella oil to help deter mosquitoes with its strong fragrance. Lemongrass along walkways and in locations close to seating areas are ideal. Other plants to consider are chives, whether it's this garlic chive that blooms with a beautiful white flower late in the season, or the more commonly seen purple flowering chive that we see in so many herb gardens. What's great about these chives is they're great for dissuading Japanese beetles as well as flies. They have a very definite sort of garlic aroma to them. By adding some diversity to your garden, and some of these plants I've mentioned is a wonderful way to work hand in hand with Mother Nature